What if humans suddenly disappeared? Imagine that every human on Earth suddenly vanished. No warning, no explanation, just gone. What would happen next? Let's explore this fascinating scenario step by step. Step 8. The first hours. The moment humans disappear, millions of cars, trains, airplanes, and ships would continue moving without drivers. Many would crash or stop. Electricity would still work for a while because power plants are automated, but no one would be there to maintain them. Pets trapped inside homes would become confused and hungry. Wild animals would begin exploring areas normally crowded with people. Step 2. The first few days. Within days, power grids around the world would start failing. Without workers to monitor and repair equipment, blackouts would spread everywhere. Cities that never sleep would become dark and silent. Water treatment plants would stop operating. Clean water would no longer flow through pipes. Many pets and farm animals would struggle to survive, while wild animals would slowly reclaim the land. Step 13. The first months. Nature would begin taking over. Grass would grow through cracks in roads. Weeds would appear on sidewalks and parking lots. Zoos would change dramatically as some animals escaped while others depended on human care. Large cities would become surprisingly quiet. Without traffic, birdsong would replace the sound of engines. Air pollution would drop quickly, making skies cleaner. Step 4. The first years. After several years, many buildings would begin to deteriorate. Rainwater would leak into structures. Glass windows would break. Metal would rust. Forests would expand into suburbs and towns. Deer, wolves, bears, and other wildlife would move into areas once dominated by humans. Rivers that had been controlled by dams would begin changing course as infrastructure failed. Step 5. Decades later. 30 to 50 years after humanity vanished, many roads would become hidden beneath plants and soil. Wooden houses would collapse. Skyscrapers would remain standing but show signs of damage. Animals would thrive in many places. Fish populations could increase as industrial fishing ended. Ecosystems would start recovering from centuries of human activity. Step 6. Hundreds of years later. After hundreds of years, most human-made structures would be gone. Only the strongest buildings, monuments, tunnels, and bridges would remain. Forests would cover many former cities. The outlines of roads and neighborhoods might still be visible from the air, but nature would dominate the landscape. Step 7. Thousands of years later. Thousands of years after humans disappeared, Earth would look very different. Future intelligent beings, if any existed, might discover strange ruins buried beneath forests and deserts. Famous landmarks such as the Great Pyramid of Giza could still survive, while most modern buildings would have vanished. Plastic waste and radioactive materials might remain as evidence that humans once ruled the planet.